Good morning, students. I just wanted to give you a brief introduction for week 2. It is very important that you look at each page before you complete the assignments in this week. Okay, so the first thing I want you to look at would be the learning goals for week 2. And as you can see, I have a very brief list of the objectives for week 2. Next, I want you to look at the essay. There is an essay that is due on Sunday of next week. So it is important that you recognize that at the end of this week, the next week, okay, week 2, you will be submitting essay number 1. There are 3 prompts listed here that you can choose from. You will need to have looked at, taken notes, asked questions for clarity if possible before you start this writing assignment. In addition, remember, I will only accept docs and docx files. No PDFs will be accepted for this submission. Okay? All right. For this week, I have major parts of an argument. I have Meet the Supreme Court Justices. There's a video. Um, yes, there are some updates that could have been made, but because of the nature of the course, and it's a 7-week course, we are taking the curriculum from 2019. So I have provided an extra credit opportunity for those of you who are interested. If you can identify the 2 new female justices during our e-meet this week, you can earn 5 extra credit points. Okay, so go ahead and look at that. And so I'm just going to go briefly on what you have to do. There is a discussion that is due on the 17th. Okay, there's some information on the types of claims. This is very, very important information in terms of how you will write your essay. Please take the time to watch the videos, take notes, ask questions for clarity if necessary, and then do your assignments. Introducing an argument. There's a sample argumentation paper. There are 2 other things that I want you to do. There's another discussion, but this is the one that is going to be the most important. That's the e-meet that is important for next week. You have 2 dates in which you can meet with me in Zoom. Okay, so for those of you who want to meet with me on Wednesday, I have appointments available on Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. You'll need to email me in advance and let me know when you are coming. There'll probably be up to 3 other people, so it'll be 4 altogether that will be in the Zoom appointment that you choose. And during that time, you'll have an opportunity to meet me and then also ask questions about the course. Okay, so email me, let me know if you want to come on Wednesday or you want to come on Thursday. Okay, go back to this week. And as you can see, there is a lot of information that you need to look at, watch, and take notes. This information, it seems like it's a lot right now, but towards the end of the course, we don't have as much foundational information that you need to use in order to write your paper. Case number 1. This is essential. Okay, so this case is 59 pages. I strongly encourage you to print it out if possible. If you can't print it, then by all means read it and take notes online. Okay, so it's right here for you. This is the information that you're going to utilize to write essay number 1. There is a quiz. Okay, and as you know, quizzes require you to do certain things. Make sure you read the directions and follow those. And then I have a few more pages. And lastly, there's a discussion that's due on Friday evening. And essay number 1, you're going to upload here. Okay, you click on that, and then you will follow the directions that will tell you how to upload your docx or doc file. That's from Microsoft Word. And so if you don't have a Microsoft Word app on your computer, please use your Microsoft um, app that's in your Outlook account. Okay. And if you have questions about that, please contact me and I'll show you how to access that. Okay. Lastly, week in review, and these are the things that we will have accomplished by the end of week 2. And like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a wonderful week 2.